Hello awesome people, this is James and let's continue our eating out, boosting metabolism exercise with day 4. We'll start with exercise D, you know, the left, right, 50 of these. Oh, ready? Oh, 1, oh, 2, oh, 3, oh, 4, oh, 5, oh, 6, oh, 7, oh, 8, oh, 9, 1, oh, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 9, 4, oh, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9, 5, 0. You can take a 10-second rest. Of course, you can split that into 10s or 25s. Then the next is the wide leg crunches. 100. Ready? You can split them up, remember. Let's go. Oh, 1, oh, 2, oh, 3, oh, 4, oh, 5, oh, 6, 7, oh, 8, oh, 9, 1, oh, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, oh, 9, 1, 9, 2, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 9, 100. Ah, yay! And the next one is going to be, guess I'll do it this way. This is a, yeah, this way. This is a neat little exercise I thought was pretty cool. And you just lift up your legs like this, and you try to keep your back straight. Ready? And we do 100 of these. Woo! You can split up 10s, 20s, 25s. Let's go. Oh, 1, oh, 2, oh, 3, 4, oh, 5, oh, 6, oh, 7, oh, 8, oh, 9, 1, oh, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, oh, 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 9, 100. That's it. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.